Hi, my name is Nick Boone and I am the owner of Ascend Property Management. Everybody can utilize our services, whether you own one property or one duplex, from the savvy investor that's buying a lot of properties to the person that really only owns one. We really care for that property like it's our own. The process that we go through is really simple. When somebody comes in from another property manager, it's almost seamless. If it's a new client that has never used a property manager, we run them through everything, let them know what the process is going to be, and if they have any specific needs, we know up front so that we can do it throughout the term. We offer full tenant screening, background check, credit check, job reference, rental reference. We personally show each tenant the property. We make sure that all the accounting on each property is perfect every single month and send out a reconciliation every single month. All of our services are actually available online. Every document, everything you sign, and everything you need monthly is going to be available online 24/7.
If you're really looking for someone who takes their job very seriously, loves doing what they do, sets themselves apart from others, you have to go with Ascend Property.
I met Nick when we made an investment. He was Johnny on the spot. He knew exactly what I wanted. If he took care of your property, you would know it would be in good hands and have no problem at all. You could rest at night.
We guarantee a personal level of satisfaction for each client, just because we know that they're going to trust us. They're going to know that we really care for their property like it's our own property or our family's property.